There it is. All the coolant hoses. General Motors, GM. All of them came from the dealership. Even the top hose. GM too, as well. Alrighty. Got the new heater hoses on. Gotta have a little extra lighting in here. As you can see those. The new heater hoses. You got the new bottom hose. And you got this one. That one's new. And you got the new air conditioning belt. I'm going to change the top radiator hose. As you can see here, you got the new radiator. Still got to hook up the oil cooler lines for the engine. Also, I got to hook up the fuse box. I got my condenser lined up in the front. New thermostat is in there. About to put the clamp, start putting it back together, put the electric fans in. Time to get busy. Alrighty, I got the for the fuse panel, got that on. They're each color coded. So underneath this plastic right here, this piece, once you lift these up, they're each color coded and they slide into the slots down here. This slot has a slot right here and they just slide down. So you got green, blue, black, and white. Then you got two bolts holding it down. One right there and one in the corner right there. Then you just put the fuse panel with the fuses on top. 4 screws. Take your time, screw them in. And as you can see here, we got the radiator fan in. Okay, when you tighten up the fuse panel, take your time. Do a little bit here, 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 here. And when it comes to a stop, just do a little light snug on all 4. And don't forget the bolt right here, the positive that power up the fuse panel. And once you do that, get your cover, put it on there. Lock it down, wipe it off. I got a new reservoir tank. About ready to install that. All right, got the new reservoir on. The 2 hoses that's there. We'll change those. Come with a new cap. I got 3 more hoses to go. As you can see, all the parts are AC Delco, but they're made in Mexico. All the hoses says that. All the product is GM, but made in Mexico. Everybody got to get some work. We all need it. Alrighty, got the truck running. All the work is done. So what I'm doing now is letting it run, and I got the tank filled with water. I'm gonna let it heat up, uh, get the rest of the milky substance out of the engine block. I worked on Saturday to get a head start. Usually I don't work on Saturday, but just to get a head start. Engine is running.